Today we are going to introduce this four-handles EMS living machine. When we get into the interface, we can see there are two patterns here. And pattern one is like this is the auto mode, and this is the manual mode. That means we need to adjust more about the frequencies. We can adjust according to our actual needs. RF energy, RF2 intensity. Okay, let's get back to the pattern one first. We can see we only need to adjust the RF energy of the two handles and the intensity. And this is the treatment time. Maximum treatment time is 30 minutes, and we can reduce if you don't need that much treatment time. And click the start button, and when we click it, we will get into the choosing, the type, email, gender, and the region. Okay, you can choose the domain and click start. Then the machine is getting working. Okay, this is the pattern one. And when we get to the pattern two, let's check. We need to adjust the RF energy and the intensity. And here is the frequency, working frequency of each minutes. Okay, adjust accordingly. Turn time, maximum 30 minutes. And this is the manual mode. We can choose different working frequencies according to the customer's need. We'll start. Okay, we can see this is the handle for the dormant part. We can place the handle like this and use a band to fasten up in our body, and the customer will like it. We did that to enjoy the treatment. Okay, we can see this handle. This handle is for arms part or legs part. Like we put our arms. Firstly, we need to cross the belt from here to here. And when we put our arms into here, we could tie and press down this here. Then the arm will be fixed in this area. When we are doing treatment, the four handles are working together. So we can put them all in our body, like two on the legs and two on the arms together, or maybe we can put one on the belly, on the abdomen part, and the three in other parts.